Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Ria and in today's video I will be sharing with you that what are the things inside my emergency kit. And being a medical student who works in a hospital during a pandemic and attends regular college even though colleges and schools haven't started yet, I will be sharing with you everything that I have in my current emergency kit. And yeah, if you're new here and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So there are almost 20 things that I have in my emergency kit right now due to the pandemic, and I thought why not share it with you guys, because I'm sure some of you might be going to work or maybe colleges will start in a few days. So I think this will be really helpful for you to know what to have in your bag at this time of pandemic, which is getting worse day by day, and I think you must have all these things with you whenever you go out or travel. So the first thing that I have in my emergency kit is definitely a mask. I keep an extra mask. Obviously we wear one mask and we go, but still carrying one extra mask is really important because your mask might get dirty or you might just tear it off or something might happen. But just to be safe, it's better to have your one extra mask with you. The next thing is for females, a sanitary napkin. I'm sure that no matter which pandemic comes, your menstruation cycle will go on, and having this in your bag is really important no matter what. Next is a panty liner. Now this panty liner, if you don't know what it is a smaller version of a sanitary napkin. You can use this whenever you have any irregular discharge or a white discharge that happens maybe during or before your periods. So this is a best thing to have rather than having the wet feel down there. So this will keep your down area safe, clean and hygienic without getting any bacterial infections. Next thing is again about your menstrual cycle. This is the painkiller that I have, but you might have a different painkiller for your period cramps. So carrying that with you is really very important and a lifesaver as well. Next is band-aids. Now carrying these is really important because you might get a cut or something might happen anytime whenever you're traveling. So rather having these with you is so safe and better. So then you don't have to worry because these are like the best thing to stop bleeding and other cuts or any bruises that you have. So carrying this is really important. Next is I have a 50 rupees note. I don't carry a lot of cash, but in case if you forget money, because nowadays we have GPay in our phones and we do have our debit cards and credit cards that we carry. So I usually don't keep cash. I use my phone or my debit card, but carrying cash with you is really important. In case you cannot pay someone, you should have something in your bag. So I have this 50 rupees note with me because I think traveling by bus or train is very cheap in Mumbai, so this is enough. Next is the need of the hour, a sanitizer. I have this small one in which I keep filling my sanitizer when it gets over, because this is very pocket friendly, so I like to keep it in this one. So whenever it gets over, I just refill it. So yeah, that's that. Next is a perfume. It is by Miniso. This is the Dazing Neon. It's just for 200 rupees and I really like the fragrance. It's not that strong and very feminine kind of a scent it has, and also it's very pocket friendly. And now that it's summers, we tend to sweat, and especially someone like me who works in a hospital, we do wear so many outfits on top of one another. So you know, there is my outfit, then I wear scrubs or maybe my surgical gown, so that can lead to more sweat, and instead of smelling bad, it's better to have a deo or a perfume with you. Next is a pen, because you might need a pen anytime to sign some documents or to write down any important detail. So having a pen with you is really important. Next is a pair of paracetamols. You might get a headache or fever or anything, pop it and you're all right. Paracetamol is a very basic tablet that you must have. It's somewhat like Crocin only. So carrying this or Crocin is better with you. Next is a hand cream which has sanitizing effects. So after using sanitizers, my hand gets really dry, so I like to use this. It has sanitizing effects as well, and it hydrates my skin. Next few things are very important for a female. Hair tie. You might lose these very quickly, so having one in your emergency kit is really important. Also a comb. I think you get these tiny combs for 5 or 10 rupees, and having this handy with you is really important. You might need to comb your hair anytime when you're especially traveling in a local train or a bus in Mumbai. Then you might know the condition of your hair, so it's always better to have a comb in your emergency kit. Next is a Vaseline. Now I don't know why, but this has a lot of benefits. It can be used as a hand cream, body cream, just to stick in some hair which is keeping flying, or those baby hairs also can stick with this. Then it has great effects on your lips, or if you get a cut or something, you can even stop the bleeding with this. So this has a lot of effects and hacks to use, so I keep it with me. Next is a toilet seat sanitizer. I think right now every place has to be sanitized, and a person like me who goes to the hospital, you might know the hygiene levels. So carrying this with me is really important, and I do carry it because this also has a particular scent which makes the toilet smell at least sober, and also it sanitizes the seat. Next is my house key. This is also in the emergency kit because sometime I might come home early if I'm not feeling well or anything, and if my mom is not at home, I can just open the door and come inside and rest. So having your keys is really important, only if you're an adult. Next I have few tissue papers. Tissue papers can be a need of the hour anytime. You might get a runny nose anytime, and that is the only purpose I carry tissues, because I can sneeze at any point and my nose starts getting so runny that I sometimes don't have a handkerchief also. So this saves my life. I have a cloth bag in my emergency kit because sometimes anything can happen, and especially with me, I wear 2-3 outfits as a as a student in the hospital. So anything spills on my clothes or anything, I can just carry it in this and come back home. Then I have 2 hair clips. I think anytime if your hair is popping out, these are the best because otherwise it gets really irritating. Then I have one cotton pad. I don't know why, but I just have it. And then I have a big safety pin. This is the best thing to have in your bag. Anything tears, your zip broke or anything, this is a lifesaver. Such a tiny thing, but anyone can need it at any point of life. So having it in your emergency kit is really important. That's why I kept it last, but emphasizing on this, it's very important, trust me. So that was all for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, also with those girls who are about to go to college or to school or maybe go to work. This video will be really helpful for all of them. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.